Hello children, today I am going to discuss the advertisements. Okay, so this is one of the writing topics again. Okay, I am going to discuss writing part, advertisements. So advertisements are of four types: sale and purchase. Now it is according to the you will make an advertisement according to the statement whether it can be related to the sale and purchase, and lease or to let, display advertisement, situations vacant or wanted, any advertisement. So there are four types of advertisements. Okay, first one, sale and purchase. Now sale and purchase: sale, you understand, if you want to sell something, okay, and purchase if you want to purchase something. So you can begin like that: flat for sale. Okay, wanted a flat, if you want a flat, wanted a flat, give the heading like that. Okay, give the heading like this: flat for sale, means you need a flat for sale. So in the sale and purchase, simply you will write the heading and you will start your advertisement and write all the necessary details like the interior design of flat and its rate and your contact number and everything. Next one is the display advertisement, and in this you can draw and write anything in this advertisement, and there is no limit to their size. So in this way you can write display advertisement. Display advertisement means you are displaying something. Okay. So next one is situations vacant and wanted. Situations vacant and wanted means like if you wanted a helper, wanted a clear, wanted a teacher, you can give it heading like this: wanted a teacher. And the another one, situation wanted. If there is a requirement of something, okay, or someone, you can give the heading situation wanted. So by this you can attempt this advertisement. Okay, and so these are the advertisements. Okay, different kinds of advertisements. First one was the sale and purchase. You can start it just like by giving the heading flat for sale. Okay, flat wanted. Okay, wanted a flat, etc. If you want to purchase something, you can write the heading according to that. Next one, lease to let. In this you will write the heading in bold and then write it in the paragraph. And the display advertisement, this will not you write in the paragraph form, it will be in the displaying form like poster. Okay, and you can show everything, you can show anything in this display advertisement, like the main important points in bold, and after that your contact number. Okay, and the next one, situations vacant or wanted. If you wanted a teacher, wanted anything, okay, you can give it heading like a wanted and the situation wanted, and the situation wanted, like according if there is a requirement of something and any. Okay, situations vacant, wanted, and this again will be in paragraph form. You can start it by giving the heading, and whenever you attempting an advertisement, after the heading you will leave one line. Suppose you are writing a heading situation wanted, and after that leave a line, and then you will start from here, from the very starting point. Okay, on the left side you will start. So in this way you can attempt an advertisement. Okay, so these are the four main kinds of advertisement. You can go through the newspapers, you can see the examples from there. Okay, you can see the examples here. Okay, how to write an advertisement. In this way you can get the idea. Okay, so I have discussed the four kinds of advertisement. Okay, do practice of advertisements by taking various examples. The one main important point is that you will write each and every detail of the advertisement in the paragraph. Each and everything, like the requirement of a particular thing, and if you are selling something, then it's the interior design and interior ones, and its cost and everything. Your contact number must be there in the advertisement. Okay, and everything in the paragraph must be included for the advertisement. So in this way you can attempt the advertisement.